Okay, Josh, this is your transmission, and we've got it all apart, and there's a lot of metal piled up on this magnet. You can see right there, there's a lot of fine ground up metal, and anyway, that metal, where it's coming from, it's actually coming out of the torque converter. But what's happened, that's restricted the filter and caused a loss of oil pressure. It also had a restricted cooling, it looks like. These clutches here, you can see how burnt black they are, and there's hot marks on the steels. And the band is the same way, the band's burned. There's that going on. But we're going to need to check that cooler system on there. We're going to flush it to get all the metal out of it, and I'll show you how we do that in just a second with our patented hot flush machine. But we might have to do some sort of repair on the cooler system because this thing got hot. We're also going to replace the overdrive bearing in these. These are prone to fail, and there's an updated bearing in here. One of the things we're going to do to keep this from happening again, obviously the park issue, the being stuck in park issue with that spring and ball and this rooster comb, we're going to fix that. We're also going to install a recalibration and upgrade kit into the valve body. And what that real fine metal powder has also done, the electronics that are on here, there's solenoids and sensors on the valve body. Governor pressure control solenoid, 3/4 shift solenoid, lockup solenoid, and the governor pressure transducer. All those electronics have just been contaminated with that metal powder because those are electromagnetic. But what it's going to take to fix this and fix it right, Josh, is a complete rebuild. Attached to this email is an estimate, all parts and labor. It'll of course come with our standard 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty on it. There won't be any ups or extras unless we run into something on that cooler that needs to be repaired. Because it could be the cooler's just restricted with that metal, and flushing it will do everything fine. But other than that, that's what we got, and we appreciate your trust in us. Thanks.
This is a demonstration video of our hot flush machine. Now this isn't your vehicle, this is just an example of how it works. Now this gets up to, the fluid in here gets up to 190 degrees. Right now it's just warming up. And you can see the lines come out and the fluid's going through here. And where it's connected here, this is actually connected to the cooling system portion of your transmission. And you can see where we've attached it here, and it's going through the lines right up through here. So it's flushing all that bad fluid out of there, so when we put your transmission back in, there's no more contamination. So that's how we clean out the cooling system portion of your transmission. Certified Transmissions, Draper, Utah.